make profits again with crypto arbitrage trading. So we are trading crypto arbitrage trading, and as we said, crypto arbitrage trading is buying assets at a lower price in a centralized platform and selling them at a higher price in a decentralized platform. So we'll be buying low on Binance and selling high on Ranquilly. So what we'll do, we will be receiving our assets direct to our Binance account. That is magic, and you know it can happen. So make sure you click the link in my bio and you watch my previous videos, and also you learn on how to trade crypto arbitrage trading. So I said we'll be trading crypto arbitrage trading, buying low on Binance, selling high on Ranquilly, but the merchant in Ranquilly will send our profits direct to our Binance account. So let's check the balance for now. In our Binance account, we have 50.01 USDTs. And as I said, if you have Ranquilly, make sure your email and KYC is verified. After that, make sure you fund your Ranquilly account. And funding is very easy. You come on deposit. You choose the cryptocurrency you want to trade crypto arbitrage trading, or you want to fund your Ranquilly with. You can use BTC, Ethereum, USDT. So I'll do a tutorial for USDT because I'm holding USDT in my Binance account. So click on continue. You enter amount, and the best amount to start with is 500 USDTs or 200. That is the best. Then after that, click on continue. Copy that deposit address in your Ranquilly. Go to your Binance, and remember you can substitute with any exchange. Then you click on send. Then you click on withdraw assets. You choose your assets, that is USDT. You paste the address copied in Ranquilly. Then the network is TRC20. Then you enter max as your amount. After that, you'll get your funds in 5 to 15 minutes in your Ranquilly account. So I said we are trading crypto arbitrage trading. That was the main theme. So I will just copy my Binance address. So just come to Binance, click on deposit, still on assets. We are copying our Binance address because we want to trade crypto arbitrage trading and receive our assets in our external wallet. So I click on USDT. I'll be trading with USDT. You copy the address. Remember, if you are in US, you just trade with Bitcoin or any other crypto. So I'll go home. Then I'll come on the three dashes, click on P2P arbitrage. Then we bought low on Binance, remember. So here we are selling. So I'll get this guy is online, Crypto Hub 24, and his percentage rate is 96.82. So he's a good arbitrager. So the rate is 1.10, which is not bad. And amount I'll trade with arbitrage trading, let's say 30, the minimum, or 35. I'll get 38. Let me do 34. So I'll get 37.40. And remember, that's how you make profits with crypto arbitrage trading. You buy low here, you sell high there, and you make some good profits, my guys. So I'll just come, instead of receiving internally on Ranquilly, you can see here, I'll choose my external wallet, that is crypto exchange. Arbitrage is between two platforms, so you can't sell here and receive there. You must receive in another platform. So because I'm using Binance, I'll click on Binance, then I'll paste the address copied. So I'll receive 36.65. Crypto arbitrage has something called P2P fee, so it has deducted me 0.75. But the goodness of this arbitrage strategy is that you won't be deducted again when you withdraw, because your funds will be sent direct to your external wallet. So after pasting my address, I'll review and confirm that everything is okay. You can see here what I've been telling you. Then you confirm the trade. And remember, this arbitrage opportunity or arbitrage exchange, that is Ranquilly, is protected by escrow. So there is no way you can lose your funds trading crypto arbitrage trading in Ranquilly. So that is the best part of it. And we'll be waiting for around 30 minutes so that we receive our funds in our Binance account. But because the guy is online and as I told you, is a good arbitrager, we will wait for some few minutes. Let's see how many minutes. As long as I receive my funds in my Binance, I will release here. So make sure you watch to the end and learn on how to trade crypto arbitrage trading, receiving in your external wallet. So guys, I've got a confirmation that my arbitrage trade has been completed, and the funds have been sent to my Binance account. They can seem small, and I don't want my funds to be small, by the way, because we said that the best capital is 200 USDTs. So today we'll get to that, and you can see my balance has changed, and I can release my P2P arbitrage now. You can see payment received, release now. So that's how you release. Just come here, payment verified successfully. Please confirm you have received the funds in your external wallet, then release your assets. So it took around 7 minutes, that is 22%. Then I just release because I've confirmed my funds are in my external wallet. So that's how you trade. That's how you make profits with crypto arbitrage trading. And if you have a problem in trading crypto arbitrage trading, make sure you reach out and I will guide you for free. So make sure you comment, like, and subscribe if you are watching on TikTok, on Telegram, or on YouTube. So let's trade crypto arbitrage trading and receive our assets in external wallet. We are out. We'll make another video, that is part 3, on how to trade now with the arbitrage bots, and we make profits and we make a withdrawal. We are serious and we want to make good profits with arbitrage trading.